Vanuatu, you missed under blow Delekesen, lo Mareeba. By time you look also me, you think about Vanuatu. I miss him at no same way. You missed lo Vanuatu. Thank you, Kiwan Mobil.
Yes.
Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, all girls. Thank you, Big One. Thank you, Kiwan Lo. Kiwan Mobil, lol kita walol ite kam sit lol kita.
Okay. Amen. Sorry.
Okay, thank you, Thomas. Before you may start, Mr. Nabia, also one little blown event suwe mi boleh stapan dalo blesya. Hat lumi fat straight de time look you boleh stablo blesya. Emino by mistake, emi will lo papakot, mo ikam lo one right time. Lo you boleh sabe stop with emi bola de lo blesya. The balance, I think, why you will sa harem, lo social media you will sa look, full of time, organization lo mibla, anta lo blesya, mibla yo stem lo blesya lo Mareeba, and full of lo mibla, Mareeba I also one second home lo mibla, we've been here for too long, mibla sta lo blesya long time too much. And suppose you remember, ever since 2017 time program I start to play siya, me will come to play siya, me sorry pay no cut nothing. Me hard little bit lo time ya. But today, suppose Mr. Nablo State siya, me look every man Vanuatu, and may you know even everyone on the blood they balance it ya. Suppose everyone come to play siya, I think back here by small. Therefore, me want to tell them thank you. And I think second time we pay you will come to place. Patrice, I think one time when me will Santa Blo Visera Road, I think. And me karem na bika tempus koko, me will say perkempus Santa Bay, come through lo Bibla lo Visera Road lo. After me will town story and small away. Lo time na we I think first time we one lo you will like to stop. Putum fit lo place. And the place from program blue me ever since we start. But the day me glad we miss have a look you everyone. We will have a come to place today. Minister with them commissioner I think with them I commissioner too. I think first time we come we meet me lo farm lo we walk part inside lo farm lo panana lo we I blow get I big one lo we go finish after we go back. But today, my second time, we'll say, "Sabote you, Melo Blessa." Lot time I walk out from different something. But today, only walk out from you with me. So, me take time, me tell them thank you. Mommy want them welcome me, you will anda blo Mareeba. Ki want me people ahead long kita. Area blo me want people area. Thank you, you will say mekem program ya. Me one ongoing program where you me everyone, me will benefit them. And today you will no look at me, but you will follow me back and come to the place. Therefore, me will everyone on behalf of me will everyone when me will start the place. Me will want them say you will feel also say you miss all of Vanuatu. One them thing where you will come with them today. Me will sabe. Sepa you will put them one place where me will everyone you understand them. Mo coming blue you will today. By me work as you may stop continue with the program. Otherwise, me want to welcome me all boys with them all girls where you may start a place too. You start a program or you disengage, me welcome you lo pack lo place today. Even though you have the program, but you still stop Australia, you still part lo Vanuatu. But you still part the program. So me want them take them time me welcome me everyone, every boys, every girls who you must stop the place today afternoon. As by me story and today, by you may come blow understand and full of something. And next time all big man blow me, only stop. Give him all talk blow me. Please no hesitate. Blow give him all questions. Paul kita all straight man yan. Full of time you may stop. You may look all something lo social media. You may aram talk. Be all straight man we pa you aram talk kita. Tete all stop lo place. So you fortunate. Anything where you stop hidden behind. Lo ting blow you. Ask him lol kita lo tete. Otherwise, again, thank you. More welcome to Tepalats.
Thank you very much, lo welcome. Pami kirim time na ya ikolo Kati ni one police officer, lo Keynes, anyone man Vanuatu tu. Pa give small time, blumi make acknowledgement ikolo crown wo yimi stop meeting lentete. So when give time, small time lo Kati blumi ka make acknowledgement of land. Before you go proceed with them all program immediately afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Kathy. I work with the Queensland Police Service as a police liaison officer. With me is my colleague today, Keiko. I'd also like to acknowledge all the dignitaries here today. It's been a pleasure to work with the High Commissioner over a number of years, and many of the families here I know. So I go sort of talk in and out like that with English so that my sister here understand. But we're here today to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land of which we meet today, the Mareeba people of the Mareeba and district area, both past, present and future. So we acknowledge those people today on the land of which we meet. Thank you, always okay, Mr.
Thank you very much. Mami give him now kami ko High Commissioner. Let me introduce team detail afternoon.
Thank you, Patrice. Good afternoon, lo yumi everyone. We yumi staff the Delekesen meeting say yumi kakay plan to finish. Now yumi ready blo lesson. Thank you lo MC blo yumi we mi sabete kem yumi kam kasem now ya. Thank you lo Patrice too. So me too me want them join them to la officer we staff lo Delekesen blo acknowledge mo kata traditional owners blo land we yumi staff lem te Delekesen so yumi sabe lo custom blo yumi lo Australia lo sat lo all First Nation people of Lesser, you may always acknowledge them land way or you may stop them. Me tell them thank you too. Blomi first time too, ikolo ating lo councils blo Mareeba too, we mi sabe welcome them you meet tete lo Lesser too lo Mareeba or lo Lesser you may stop them tete. Lo welcome them minister with them delegation blame it alam bikla thank you ikolo councils blo kata lo Lesser too. Me want them extend them thank you blomi ikolo all kata members blo parliament blo kata blo Queensland, with them also federal parliament where only member blo Lesser where Elizabeth allow me blo yumi kam lo area blo kata tete lo Lesser. Me want them on behalf of minister tell them thank you ikolo kata where Elizabeth allow me blo yumi kam tok lo all people blo yumi tete lo Lesser. Also mo yuvla isa finish yuvla important to mas lo mi bla tete. Me want them extend them big fala thank you blo mi kam lo yuvla too. Blo yuvla isa kam tete yuvla kam massively blo kam blo lesin lo one way by minister with them delegation blame only talk about the Lesser. Me really tell them thank you to you. Mo me tell them thank you to all kata employers to you. All kata employers to you where only let them you come to the Lesser. Lo you save come lesson lo Lesser. Although me one time we me save say me Sunday time we me spell lo house me ko church pe some lo me work so me tell them me extend them thank you blo me ko all employers blo bla we only save allow them lo give him job blo bla to blo bla work lo Lesser tete. So me extend them thank you ya golol kata. Me want them to say me tell them thank you to lo partner blo yumi Australian government. Me also High Commissioner blo Vanuatu lo Australia. Me want them tell them big flat thank you to lo Australian government. Yumi katete one representative blo Australian government we Mr. Wotem yumi we Mr. lo foretia by fly look hem by hemi din tok small tete by me tell them do fly delpet. all kata kutfula something where Australian government and mekem blo labor mobility the PALM scheme. So Yumi Talam Tikfula, thank you Kolem from Molkatana li partner Yumi. So Madam, thank you so much for coming today and for representing Diwa. And now list small thank you Yumi. Suppose me fokate many mantete. Me want to extend them thank you ikam Molkata tu tete lopresia. Mo pakeken me want Talam Tikfula thank you lo you everyone. Or semi blai save minister what them team lem oli staff tete lopresia. Happy, thank you for coming along. Police liaison officer Lokens. Molkata tu oli kam join Yumi. Lokam accompanying minister too. So all staff to the process was you got any question? By all the staff around, you should ask them all too. Also we play sabe the minister staff lo some very important task today. I mean important lo you like come lo lesson lo one minister kat lo talam lo you today. I think tikla thank you lo meeting all staff lo me Australian sorry Vanuatu High Commission lo Canberra where Patrice staff to lo presya. You make him one tikla han lo Patrice from Patrice now and me help lo organize them every something where you make them today. So people are handling me kolo Patrice lo people are to you where you make them same labor attaché in Australia. Once again, thank you to you everyone. Pa ni pass mic now kolo minister, sports minister. You want them start them small talk plan. Okay. Sorry, I think by you start off small. Lo make an introduction. Lo you sabe say who emi who. Pa mi handle mic ko paklo Patrice. After pa Patrice mi handle emia.
Thank you. Yes, ikut iwalay sabi who is ato toko iwala titil afternoon na. Fula iwala no sabi iwalay sabi lande olwo ko is iwalay start make meeting lo mi Patrice. Mimi work lo Vanuatu High Commission labor attaché role blo mi blo support mo workman o yumi staff lo Australia, any issues where you make out, or any questions or any difficulties where you got, me staff lo ground lo me provide them support tell you. So by me giving me all team lo place till afternoon, lo only introduce mo kata quickly before me staff ko lo main program limited till afternoon.
Thank you, Thomas Patrice. Good afternoon, everyone. I think lo fulla proyuvla pa yuvla save mi employee Muriel Meltonoven, momina mi commissioner blo labor mobility program wo yumika to tem government blo Australia wo tem New Zealand department we mi hetem mi vlana is to look after all implementation arrangements blo all different program wo yumika. So this afternoon mi so ambol and everyone privilege blo mi kam mi meeting yuvala yumi save sit down storyan kakay tuketa mo talk about one now all future plans where country blo yumi and we want them embark lehem. I think traveling from Mivlay come lo this afternoon full up time or few times Mivlay stop come lo side lo labor mobility issues and program but walk about from Mivlay lo this afternoon hemi from one important program or priority with country blo yumi hemi stop go blo antatekem lo manis blo May national referendum. So that is the reason why Mivlay come blo give him opportunity atu come back to Mivlay all seasonal workers. Proyuvla tu play one important part lo decision making lo government proyuvla sa participate lo one government to government program mo engagement proyuvla or participation proyuvla lo bigfla important mo national priority where government hemi stop embark lehem lo May and very important. So mi vlay kat team this afternoon pa ikat more storyan more clarification ikam mi want them encourage mi yuvla no mo please yuvla no fright. If like got any question or any doubt, even suppose you have one cranky question, please no fright, you ask him. Government and me come down lo level blo you, blo harem all ting blo you, mo view blo you too, lo big fla exercise whereby you Mr. and Bethlehem law 29th of May 2024. So once again, thank you to Mas, where you've left a committee muvla, apart from all busy schedule for you've but today, and me table rest for you've left a decide, lokam meeting muvla, you may sit down, you may historian, and by you may talk about also now. Government Bloyumi, country Bloyumi, but we move forward to go next year ways to come. Thank you, Thomas.
Good afternoon, all families. Lo, you will place here. Me, name Blomi, Ray Church, me come out line and Lambrem, me part lo team way staff, also one representative lo. Office flow attorney general, we be responsible flow. Staff right them all law, we all member flow you in the parliament and staff person. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Etienne Rabo. Me from Malo, me Piguan Lotana. Me come out law department law civil status also assembly me sabe. Naya name lehem hemi change finish. Hemi no more civil status, hemi civil registration and identity management. You may register on birth to you, but same time to you may give him one national ID card to you. Law confirm you say yes, you belong to one nation. So after law awareness, by you may meet together, law you must make sure say you may must update them all ID card people law. Electoral roll, lo mekem say use have a vote, lo 29 May, way stop come. Thank you.
Good afternoon, you may everyone, we Mr. Lopak. Me name me Piero Willie, me from Malekula, me work lo Ministry from Indian Affairs. I think me for them group, or some part lo team lo. Mi will continue to make them awareness lo team or mi support them group lo one and will be blessed on them. Thank you too much.
Good afternoon, you everyone, all family lo Vanuatu Australia. Name me Gary Tawa, mi come lo electoral office. Mi will stop up lo help them team we stop. All story and by me mekem tete. From Yumilo Electoral Office, you may responsible to conduct a referendum where Baba Yumi Kaplo number 29 next month. Thank you.
We begin time to law. May you look stock water pot. They could let me introduce me and blame who.
Thank you. Me name Lumi Steve Lilo. Me work as a media officer, social media platform Lumi, Referandom 2024. So I got full of places whereby you know sabe reaching, awareness pe social media and coming bro reaching all part now. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Nim. Sabe, imi fortunate to play me go live. Tete lo lo Facebook. You watch what's live. You share them. Lo narawan to oli sabe follow them. Awareness program lo tete lo afternoon. But imi give him time small time lo member lo tiwa play me introduce him before imi give him go minister play me introduce program where we last our board lang tete.
Thank you, Tomas. Na afternoon lo kita. Thank you. Afternoon lo online family lo mi lo here lo Mareeba. I'm PNG, so I will talk this in some click. So my name is Flo Pondile. Those of you who have met me before, you would regard me as Mama Flo or Auntie Flo when I'm in your presence. I'm humbled to be here amongst the workers. Yoo-hoo! Go workers! And the dignitaries here, your Honorable Minister and the entourage. It is a privilege to be here and to have this little space to say my part about the program. program. So yes, I work for the Department of Employment and Workplace Relations. But today, I come in as a Melanesian woman representing the Tablelands Pacific Islands, South Pacific Islands Incorporation. Before I proceed, I'd like to echo the sentiments of our sister here, Kathy, and acknowledge in PNG we say Olas Place, the traditional landowners, the Manji people. Some of our brothers and sisters are over there. Thank you for coming. I acknowledge the leaders past, present, and emerging. I would also like to acknowledge the Council of Mareeba, who have given us this space to use today at very short notice, I might add. Thank you to our committee, the Tablelands South Pacific Incorporation. We do have an executive, and they have worked very hard to make this possible by way of reaching out to the council. Our president, where is he? Russell Butti. We are giving him a round of applause. Our secretary, Ronald Albrook, he's over there. Our treasurer, Lina Daniel, where are you? You're probably thinking we just have Vanuatu people as members of the executive. We do have a vice president who hails from the Solomon Islands, and of course, I'm Papua New Guinean. So we are attempting to be the representative voice of all our workers, irrespective of which part of the Pacific you hail from, hence the South Pacific Incorporation of the Tablelands. So our role, I'll just step back a minute. When we were looking at forming the organization, our workers did not have a voice. And at the moment, I'd say that their voice remains a whisper. Hence the rationale for this organization to build strength in our community and to be the recognized voice for all Pacific workers in the program. We represent the largest cohort of workers. Throughout Australia, we've got the highest concentration of Pacific workers here. The highest concentration. So being people of color in a small place like this, we stand out. And whether we're doing the right thing or not doing the right thing, people notice us. So one of our roles is to build bridges between communities of Mareeba, and that's a local government, communities in Kasawari Coast, which is also a local government, communities up in Cooktown area, which is also a local government area. Our role as the group, God willing, that we will have a voice and represent all our workers when they do have issues, whether in the program or in the local community. So this is where my role in government comes in. So I work in the worker support group. So time you feel like it's some sort of problem, it comes to me, and I have to work with Patrice. Patrice and I work together to coordinate the services that would best be available to you. So before I finish, I just want to appeal. I just want to have a show of hands. Who is a member of the Tablelands South Pacific Islands Incorporation here? Yeah. So we've got more than 150 members. It is also the one community organization that is the highest, it's got the highest patronage throughout Australia. So in closing, I would like to encourage all one to play me program. If you feel like you run away now, no can run away. You have all the protection under the Australian government with the union and Fair Work Australia that protects you from any form of malpractice. So the government of Australia, on behalf of that department that I work for now, please no can run away. Don't run away if you have a problem. You come and see us. Talk to us. Talk to Patrice. Talk to your employer. Failing that, talk to the Tablelands South Pacific Islands representative, and then we will work together to see how we can put the voice forward for you, yeah? So thank you, Thomas, and thank you. I'm humbled as a Melanesian woman to be up here. Thank you.
Thank you, Flo. Pani now given I'm no Honorable Minister. Let me talk to you.
Thank you, Master of the Ceremony. Good afternoon, all family of Vanuatu. You missed up Mareeba, all surrounded town where you will come present on this occasion where you missed up them. We acknowledge him. Brother John, where we say make a warm welcome to team this afternoon. Lo sabi give me vela salu and give me vela respect. Lo me vela sabi stand up before you vela. Lo ceremony ting. Lo when him now Kaufman do you stand up again. Lo you missed out about go for it. I think before me go on, me acknowledge him too. Also more previous speaker mentioned him all traditional honor. Lo place you missed stand up them, lo historian we lo past, lo present, mo kita yet we paligam no future. I think me acknowledge him all get a dignitary way all sabestabo de yumi tulo this afternoon lo this very special occasion. Me acknowledge him yumi everyone o yumi sabi make effort lo sabi make small kakay yumi sabi serem before yumi historian. Me acknowledge him you will travel far ikam lo yumi sabi stand together lo yumi historian. Me acknowledge him you sacrifice some time lo today, maybe you got work lo yumi or maybe you got one small business lo you take care of, but you decide lo today you must have stop together lo pakya lo historian. Me acknowledge him you may have run we must stop lo this afternoon. I think all family historian lo by you start off or same way you must harem country lo you start ko anda take one befla reform ya why you ask him why na you present lo today you present today because reform ya stop lo handle you from you now by you make him say reform ya either me pass or me no pass. When you may call them referendum also we will have. I think you miss a referendum where you may talk about and need to do with them parliamentary system with them electoral system. For you miss a law constitution you may got trivla main section ya mo time where you may them change him you must come back to people lo ask him blessing lo kita say yes me agree say you may change him language flow me vela agree say you may change him parliamentary system lo o me vela agree say pa yung change yung electoral system lo mila. But today yung establish siya, lo yung talk about why now government, lo you, I decide say good, you storan with them people socially agree, you change yung parliamentary system, or you change him how mila or politician mila start behave and to create them one legal framework where lo yung guide them mila. From you like sabi lo history lo yung milo politik. Kaya mo yung karam independent lo yung kam, you find them say you got stability for some years no. Ang kasem lo LL's 2000 you may find them out say instability may come one issue. Government after government may come in and out. You make them say all lovely back then or even stopping things say when them no bali make them blow crime guide them you lo political environment you blow by make them sure say government by no start change too much from time once your government is start change too much and may affect them service delivery and may affect them you may all grassroots people. From time when one government may change, may go stable one ya. I may also say you plan one taro, I may stop one place. But I may no time yet, you approve you benefit lo maximum benefit lo crop siya. You pull them out and then you go plan another place. I may say maklo politika no, I may say maklo government. Time where you put one government, I may stop for just 6 months or even 8 months. I mean. Time you go kali you take them out, you make them be challenge na from one government time you go, and me take them small time, like me plan, and me must cut at least 5-6 months. Non vision, non policy where me got, and me try blow me must push me go incorporate them with them all get up plans, all get up different ministry after blow several lemon. But time once so we stop trying to incorporate them go business plan. You go 6-7 months, come money full down, and we go in new government come, in starting process of zero packet. Story na you will sabi, pa inunito ba midwelem. You will sabi sequence flow, political instability ya. And we start lo heli 2000 also me mention eh, may kampo ko igasem. Lo yumi lo legislate sa we minabati din legislate. Wo yumi find them out say, emi chess ko moas. And also mitalem. Wok pa odi emi no chess start mo tete. Wok pa odi emi start back lo 2012, early 2010. Where all leaders blame me only wok pa around lo region. Lo look say on the country where you may never with them when them know all different now. Legislation will got in place with no time, guide them or control them. behaviors, behaviors from Mivala politician. I mean nothing to do with the Mivala people. But I mean more to do with the Mivala. How na Mivala is to behave inside the National House. And him now, only WME, only go around 2012, only go kasi PNG, only neighboring country, only look. All different legal framework will got to me guide them, only that. And then only come back, only start trying to develop them. Only legal, only new laws, also you are one state law, and stop what you mention them. Only draft them, stop. Then you come back in 2016. You meet Ran Karam, you meet talk about, you Mr. Trump, Busumiko, but him no happen. You go, you come Kasim, not in legislature, same story. You meet Karam, you meet Ram story on them, but then you go, you affect them two government somewhere somehow. Government you come up, time ting is to come, if full town, you make them say, only that you start talk. You go, Kasim, well, same way you miss I think you will have it. You go Kasim one point where you make 3 prime minister, one year no. Also, you make Kasim 4 by me program world record. And time we Kasim 3 prime minister and then number 4 motion, let me go. 8 of state, and me intervene. And I mean, intervene, me believe, say, through law, direction, law, Papa God and double heaven, when we grant them wisdom, law, sing out them all political leader. No time comes down together, historian, look how now you meet them manage him, behaviors to you. From you, me one country, we will roll the disaster finish. You may say, Arikeni, till you me also every year. You may only classify me, United Nations, also the most country when we vulnerable, no natural disaster. And me, you may not have control him. But all of lovely me only come to look, say, behaviors to you, me, I mean, you may know more yet. You may decide, we know you will, but we will yet all politician. We will yet, we will not start deciding or move here. We will have a witness him. No live stream that you will start watching, you will start behave no parliament. You look, no one day, one you will stand outside, another day you will stand outside. You may not say some reason, one you will justify one, but only that, only start with the head of state, then head of state, they say, me want them say you will must push on with them legislation we start. And then all political leaders agree. Say yes. Every time you may realize him, so when them now you may start making a mirror. You may now you may start causing something. So you may must again face step, you may recognize him. When them now you may start making a mirror all before me. So everyone only agree before head of state say, you may see out on parliament. Then you may go make them change law, and then also legislation where you may start, and then you may change him law. But also me tell them time when you touch him law. You saw it, you got all Nara 6 and you touch him, you need to come back to people. All Nara 6 and you touch him, and we need him 2/3 no more, which is 36 member of the parliament, I mean support, then he go. But time when you come to 3/6 and we talk about language parliamentary system, more electoral system, Hemia by must go back to people. And Hemia now you missing out in referendum. And from Hemia now, today we will establish from referendum. No story on what we will. Why? I mean important, you must make one decision, you. Lo 29 of May, well, same way you will have I mean, they will buy you go vote. Lo either you miss out what reform ya, we will lo parliament, we will decide finish. You may carry back go back to people. Then you come back to you will not from here now. Country, a constitution, power I mean blow people. I mean no blow one we will member of parliament. So he come back to you people and detail. We will start with you will Mareeba, lo story and you will lo hemia now. Walk out we will lo hemia now. All reason blame you will say why now? Policy block government and we tell them say you may go from instability. From you may look change of government after government and may affect them. All get a government machineries and may affect them. Grassroots people. And you make them say confidence. You know what the investment leave me. You make them leave me particularly the time you start leave me lo Mareeba. Well you will participate lo labor mobility program leave me lo Australia. He affect them you will too, but you will tell them say you know affect them you will. Tete you may lo program lo labor mobility you may start lo place here. Policy you start review from I think how many years now we're from him now. Time when one minister come goes down, start review time when you go start out of them, nara minister come so you go back status zero back at review. And then time nara minister come, you go back and review. And lo you will also Mr. Nabe, Mimi also former minister responsible for labor mobility program. You will lo 1 year no more. You will get 4 minister. When you work lo go to program. So how na ba program ya? You miss a shape him. Also today, you acknowledge him. You may have run all man for not to you mister. From igat yumi we samla yumi start lo program, samla lo yumi no start lo program. But ite mi belai start lo place no blo chache one. Mi also minister mi gam lo tok lo people lo Vanuatu. And to find a way to how do you help him? Yumi way yumi disengage. From after all, yumi one people, one nation, and we will help him yumi everyone. So lo place all policies we will mas work them, lo help him address him on loopholes na way yumi kat. Landeli yumi way yumi disengage, yumi sabi igat all reason. Way you play out, and you miss out what some lembi. All treatment will probably administrate. Probably you come to the show, tell them say how you should be. Maybe 30 hours or 1 week, but after all, you carry 16 hours, you know something. Look all meeting all hand needs to be then no reason you out. So, no you but you tell them say no, me no got anything to do with him. No, you got big part you play no pressure. From stability, you know, you must stop. No government you and we country got one consistent policy. And policy deliver on time. From time one minister ni kami. All kita technical man, we work for them direction don minister na mo. Kasi mo mitalem si, you miss away custom store and lawan ng bilak. We time we mista upot lo go from water lo blesya, be time mo talem si no. Narang water lo we, mista swing around ko na battery one water imitate no. Ay mi siya magtulo politic environment with today. Kaya you looking mo technical man. Only work siya no. Mi instruction time mi gam ko lo Ministry of Internal Affairs. Singaw dem teaching si instruction lo. Commissioner Mareeba yung review lo program molsem. Ista review ko. Lahi mi address mo issues ya. Be you sick after 6 months, 7 months, or maybe not. Kasi mi tala you will got 4 minister lo. Just one ya. O mi one lo gata mi number 3 minister ano yun. You see? Oligara mo hotel, nara minister ka ko start pa kan lo siro. Instability hen no. Imegam say you know some benefit lo program ya imagam say program ya you got all challenge we no got place lo you try address them through lo reform review lo policy. So again all family Mr. Storan lo pulong ting lo you say ting mo pivla ting mo government Mr. talk about the referendum you know take him say me one light something and referendum it never been happened before. You mean when you born after 1980 all lovely me too never experience him referendum. You me first ever referendum where Republic of Vanuatu emi holem emi hemia. Mi no sabe se wetan bagan but me got chance. Play me talk about referendum bagan. But today me glad se Mr. Na before you me also more young generation where you me when they make them change. Lo betterness play me, lo country play me. Lo one clear direction where you me body go where you got stability. From time you got stability lo policy. You got you me convince him all get investors will got interest lo what you. For example, time where we will have been go yesterday we will have store with some group town no tumba and one all get a people company we start group limit of Vanuatu. Time where government stop change and then hemi looking say hemi aram all new say policy direction lo government is shift from left to right and then hemi me got fear heavy me say mi no sabe se pai stop change so me but mi got guarantee future long future pro work with them Vanuatu no kat hemi gara mi cancel recruitment blem lo Vanuatu hemi tai with them everyone hemi ko gara nating almost 100 lo Solomon from hemi no instability hemi no give him one guarantee lo one investor tay you look all kita will start recruiting you hemi all businessman hemi all investor o kota tay mo look say kafmani change ko ikama le liharam restaurant se pahemeya kafmani by me review le me o kota li fear now o li got fear o kota then o kota li start look other elsewhere lo li go recruit o say me one clear example when them now instability is causing so everybody me believe me vela some lo young generation me vela want them stability from pasam lalo me vela tu pamela no me political life lo me for one by me no stable political life lo me. But we want them say, you must make one right decision. Put country play me blow tomorrow from. One day, you may plan the you may start place, you may young, you may got energy, you start work today, you got energy. But me believe say today too, you got chance. We play you say change in future, play me. You got one good for stability, we blow tomorrow time you may go some one H, you may hold la. Why me no complain too much from instability, and me one killer low development one nation. And you may say look low rich. Today, by you may say talk about you look. Fiji and we move ahead. But you look Samoa ay mumupay. Plan de lol kita bifila ting where you miss up talk about before Samoa. For example, lo sa to tourism sector. You miss up talk about say, no, you mi want them entire market to Asia lo tourism. You mi talk about before, you mi go sign a service agreement before. Pagkaman you work lo change, kokam, you mi never entire market ya Samoa. Direct flight you go level bus time. 2 times lo 1 week go. The day why you mi looking instability, you mi looking, lo you mi lo Vanuatu, and killing development. Lo Fiji stability and stuff for a longer period. You look at it, for example, airline, lo you mean. From system lo instability, you be looking one government and we can put one plan. How to retrieve him? Even watu, nara government kami kilim and say no, ting lo mi also. Kasi na namin talaga yung plan na one taro, you know, kasi time you maximize yung benefit them. You pull mo, you go plan yung bakit no narapes. You know, time you got mo. Promotion, government machinery, you got all process. Time mo you make one policy, every time you make campaign, you campaign for one policy finish, and then you got a policy, you go to parliament, you go play butung inside lo plan lo ministry where you work with them, and then you budget from, and then you implement them. Sekole, ba itigam at least 1 year, ba itigam 1 year, or sometime maybe more. Then you miss sekole, you may never completing. You miss ta kokam, and then now you may arrest one famous talk while you tell them say, you miss ta go head lo mga one talis no mo wali singat tango. One step forward, 2 step backward. You make them say, you will look say, development in ka. Development in ka, pay me slow, you may should follow faster pace. Time when you got stability lo government, consistency lo policy, pero you may drive development ko. So family, I think me stop story yan. You will stop move kam wala sab, me look sam la stop lo road, you will come. You will no fret last game all question, all thinking where you will cut. Maybe some confusion, you will look social media the day me talk about plan something. But the day you may stop in person, plus something some confusion where you got. You come your husband. Lo mi balay sabi clear you when him now you miss the ticket man men thinking or men reason why I man do you mi choose lo you mi go through lo referendum and me from you mi time to look in man and me continue to change. And then now we balay pass mo legislation o civil aran lo handle last year you mi pass him you got one legal and political party registration bill you mi got narwan and mi electoral act number of 2023. Well, by you got all teaching all man me, baliga mali elaborate them. When him now, all get act there we talk about. And then you become me, make him amendment law constitution. We have now you mean say them when we look, only call them 17A, mo 17B. 17A, mo 17B. 17A, I mean from him now, so we meet all time where we will have land all politician, we will campaign under one banner plan political party. But time you will look low time lo campaign, but you look in me will all post stop. We will tell them says, we will vote to party we will represent them, but we will make them reform lo education sector, lo health sector, lo infrastructure development. The time we will be flat to kami we will put to finish time we once you will put to trust to we will go lo parliament lo ko government we will check no se mana istana lo party ya pehem ne ya because tami ke honding ting lo finish pe no me ting lo why only decide to work to kada one political party ya pen every party lo Vanuatu. Pero from him now, so small road emi too much. But 17 hey, emi come lahat resem so small road mas. Big road, it must come from big road na ba emi. I-create emi big one enough for plan the money sa work outlet. Tayo mo mi dala small road emi benefit to 1 or 2 man no. Tayo mo one ni ron welo party plan. But tayo mi sta one place, you mi fight from interest to you mi run. So 17 hey, emi come lahat resem emi no. Tayo mo you elected under one political party. But you make sure say you must start from you for convincing people. Anda lo bana yan o, anda lo ideology lo bana yan o, anda lo policy lo party yan o. But you must stop with him. Kasi until we finish you and them call 101, the after 4 years. From the day men now sumidalem, history lo politik lo Vanuatu, pamino mo sabi draw lo ibala. You will like sabi in and out, politics lo imi. Social media dete, emission everything. Yes, you got to make true, you got to make yaman. But you sabi talam which one is true, which one is yaman. From you sabi you me too. I think you will look some group, police ta mega molnara honest. You will look at them. And look to no leadership law, 1-1 law. Mi will samla. When him now, mi will sa mega. When him history blow mi will. And lo bless na, pa you should tell them so who's to tell them truth, who's to tell them kama. From me very important all family. Decision mo pa you make them. Lo 29 of May. By hita mi make them destiny lo country blue say yes. You may go for stability. And then they got stability, you got consistency lo policy. They consistency lo policy, it means you may sabi look. Impact lo service delivery lo one faster pace. So 17 year old family, emi gamble heme now. You know cham, you stop white, You may walk the policy where you elect you mean. Number 1, 17B, and we come to address him. Thinking where you contest the one independent or one custom movement, you know, stop it. Then you must come affiliate on political party. You affiliate on political party, but you must have with the party. You go kasem and block him. Suppose you move before him, automatically you lose some job you. Party terminate you. Time will talk about party terminate you. I mean, planter is not a no, I'm a communist. But president terminate you know. Also, when we talk about, and we got one chain of laws here where we hang together. You got political party registration bill, number of 2023, where and we give him power on political party and all constitution law. And all political party only got all process all get what time we talk about one executive, you got president, you got vice president, you got SG, all get ayana only decide to get we got one team, one democracy still exists. Some of them communist. Me one statement where I'm baseless. And all family me stop. And then at the same time we one group or one independent candidate or one custom movement. And we come and we associate them with one political party. And we got place where we exist. But then we come associate them and then we no must move. Also when you look is that happen in parliament. Some law ligam, today you look only give mat lehmia, tomorrow only give mat lehmia. Then you may find them say, you may too leadership lo country blame me, I mean number one where you got respect them. So 17A or 17B, and we come to have respect. I mean now behaviors from people all get leaders, all political leaders. I mean nothing to do with the Yuvalal family. Yuvalal family, Yuvala, and me horai. Only talk about say no by 17A, 17B. You can't get a more right to you. No, right to you start no more. You mean no must confuse. Article 5 of the Constitution where we talk about freedom of movement. And we start no more. But here, also for example, me Mr. Tok today also one MP or one minister. And then one title when we got him after through law people, through law election process where democratic process where we got. But before me become MP or minister, me mako. The right to me when mako here, I mean no change under Article 5. The time when title yan mo, me hang lo me also MP. Me consent lo parliament. Lo ye kam lo talk about na behaviors lo me also one MP. Then no talk about behaviors lo me also mako. Behaviors lo me also mako also you is a magnum. But reform ya mi kam lo address title ya MP. Ay da MP mako, MP Tom, MP Yari, MP Cherry, whoever MP. Pe title ya na MP. Hemi ano mi kam lo address behaviors lo me la wetete. Behaviors lo me fala ano may kam instability. And we stop continue will happen lo country window. So whole family have now story an. Lo when we bela gam lo story no te mi wala. Lo ki you bla ting from power ya by Mr. Alhamdulillah. Time lo 29 you go vote. So over you me lo full republic lo Vanuatu. You me vote yes. And we go. And boss you me got 49% and we vote yes, 51% and we vote no. Lo overall vote cast. It means a lawyer full town yan. It means no more pass. So it means you may go as a business usual, you may cross and flow anytime, you cross and flow. And yeah, it's to happen now, babe. Suppose you meet over 51%. Blow people you may vote with, while you explain them after, we may vote yes. Then lawyer can lie, now they can lie. People are also all MP, BAVS to me, but I must look them now. So also me tell them so small road, by me no more big road no more way, by me help them you be planting. So I think kami talk kami stop problema. So si got any more question, any queries, kami glad to mas kami ni elaborate mo blo help you me understand. But purpose lo trip lo mi bla lo start problema today. I mean blo story and you mean no think say government bill decide finish. Parliament bill decide finish. Lo amendment ni ko. Mi bla vote le finish lo parliament. Lo ikat also mi talam electoral hack ko political party registration act ko you make a amendment to constitution where MP go. But here, by me wait now, you will 29. Time where over 51, and we vote say, yes, we will agree, but you can explain which color you represent them yes, which color you represent them no. Then lawyer go, you know. The time where 49% and we vote yes, 51 no. The lawyer full time, you may come back as business as usual. Me will MP, behavior slow, me will like say, stop the same. Ko kam also me will like one them. Country continue blow. Also me tell them also you plan one taro blow. You lo place no time it no you pull out. No you got out you go plan back another place. Okay you continue blow stop also. then ba yumi stara ura ubagan limi. But also mi tala mi wala mi ka wok lo mi wala finish. But mi stala you now. So see you think say, mi na way for population limi, lo yumi putum stop. Lo instability, lo yumi statem. Lo yumi address ang movement, lo mi wala yumi frame input. Then by way stop all people lo ano to yumi stop lo Mareeba. I think all family, I think kami no taken too much time. Misawi si wala kat plan ni question, but now the best no ting mo mi wala stop lo misa. Misawi si wala full social media plan di. But the best no mi wala stop lo siya, and we will clear and some confusion or some ting where mi kam lo mi stop. Maybe make a new you stop lo. Little road you know sabi wablo ko. We will stop at the table and we have bring that clear understanding, and then you report you make one decision be on the 29. Thank you too much.
Thank you lo Minister lo bisa be provide one information background lo when we realize that work out from you got one team we Minister pa give him small time lo representative lo state lo bisa be kami give him one talk lo legal side lo program we realize that work out lehem.
Good afternoon, Pakin, lo, your families. If I have one with Minister Hemi, just explaining all main thing, where why now government Hemi, Hemi touch some constitution, or Hemi change some constitution, law atem all new changes inside the constitution. Okay? Lo last year, time sa parliament hemi amend them constitution. We got few law changes have been made, and we got 2 items where parliament have been making law change them constitution. We have me mama law pro yumi. Law item 1 have me touch them 1 part no side law on formation from political parties. Item 2, Hemitachem, Nivla 17A, Nivla 17B, lo include inside lo constitution blimi. Okay? Lo tula Nivla changes we parliament emi mekem, we plan the limi stafaram, mainly lo social media, lo Nivla 17A, mo Nivla 17B, Ocha miara minister kita lem hemi tatsem parliamentary system blumi hemi minim se hemi tatsem how system lo parliament blumi hemi stop operate. So anta lo constitution lo article 86 hemi talem se suppose parliament hemi make one law where you change some system law parliament blumi lo farwatu you must take it because part lo people only vote, whether only agree or only not agree. So suppose you agree, you vote on question by heavy start the referendum, while the electoral commission can explain them how you vote, all proposed changes will stop inside the constitution. So also we have minister Mitalem, Nivla 17A, where you include them inside law. Parliament include them inside the constitution. And we talk about all member of the political party. So suppose one member of one political party have me. One member of the parliament have me win. And because inside the parliament also one member of one political party. And we must remain with the political party. Kasi temple parliament have me finish. Suppose hemi no more support the political party blame and hemi terminated by political party blame. Nivla 17A dalam sepa hemi lusum seat blame. Okay, question where you me tomorrow by to got opportunity blo you do save. Answer hemi you agree lo changes ya? Or you no agree? Hemi simbol no also. We got new additional article where parliament MP na approve MP 17P. 17P MP talam olsem. Suppose one member of parliament only elected him consent of parliament, also one independent candidate, or one member of custom movement, or the only member of one political party, you must affiliate and follow one political party within one period of 3 months. Okay? Suppose you affiliate with one political party, you remain with the political party, kasi templo parliament and you finish. Question, you agree with changes here? Or you no agree them? Choice, you. Basically, effect plot new 17A mo 17P. Now, when you start look planted on social media, only tell them say, tomorrow suppose one president, one political party, have no clat, lo one. Member plem, by naya lawyer, by him tell them say, president, by him is a terminate him, hasta member in the seat plem. Naya by him start giving more power to president, one political party. And then we want them to start koram on social media. This afternoon, we want them clear part of the Talamol say language where you misum parliament misum child law constitution hemi. Time one member hemi 6 plus support political party. After time hemi 6 plus support political party, pays law constitution the political party. Okay? So even him say constitution blo political party now pa hemi talem how na one member blo party hemi 6 plus about political party plem hemi lo pace lo ting lo president lo political party hemi pace lo constitution lo political party straight mi want them say me hemi clear lo mind blame lo this afternoon. But you have a minister Hemi touch mo little bit lo one part lo law we only been passed last year lo political party registration act lawyer lo one important section inside them where we link to them constitution where pa you mo to work a chance lo to exercise the right to lo vote yes or no and bitas lo registration lo political parties so time one political party na ya suppose become we want them register lo mi filimol candidate lem lo ni contest lo an election yung requirements of political party have must meeting one of the you must have constitution lo political party and inside the constitution lo political party you must have all crown to him it say how now one member lo one political party have cease to support a political party plan. Straight, time stop lo pleasure, time give him law. And we have to make all MC by any question was possible, anything clarification left, team and stop lo by him, continue lo. Help him you understand it.
Thank you. By making small time too, lo, all kita lo office lo, electoral police have explain him to process. Now you are finish information blow. One time you start go through and people exercise and start come. The one time ni process please suppose why you want them go vote. So by me give him time lo kata tu police have come explain more process up lo you misabe.
Thank you, MC lo opportunity by again. Yes, I think this afternoon you be katona lo save explain them your process lo vote with them some information especially lo site lo registration with them voting process more site lo results for referendum. So I think we'll start no more you where you stop lo Australia with them referendum ya hemi kat some changes law or regulations law referendum where you mekem we have different element law all regulations or rules law all normal elections we stop mekem Aweanes. So for something I think we have important you me save lo side lo vote lo referendum. So lo side lo vote lo referendum for something where you need lo save or you need lo mas mekem lo you must cut one national ID card. You suppose where you want them vote lo time lo referendum, you call one polling station or you want them make them vote through lo proxy, you must present them one ID blue, no ID where no lo referendum me ask them, where you present them any national ID card no more. You know accept them any narrow ID. So today group will start. We will make some registration behind it. But try make sure that you may run where you may stop here. You may must cut one ID. You may have a part, take part of referendum law number 29. Nara something lo side lo process lo vote. Lo side lo process pambay firstly regulations where any cassette naya stop block item operation blow referendum and me allow them blow you may establish in polling stations or all countries overseas one all countries where you may start look lo put polling stations lem and me lo place Australia lo give him access lo you may where you may stop lo you have a movie go lo polling station you lo vote. All name polling stations whereby only come out in a long time with them all locations. Where regulations we stop we got effect finish. Emi talem also the electoral commission whereby emi save give him one certain period lo all polling stations lo oversee lo open lo allow him time lo all citizens mem Vanuatu will start oversee only go for. So it might be possible that you mean Australia once the electoral commission let me sit down or me agree or me give him I think more than 1 day you mean vote. I think best give him 1 or 2 or 3 days. You mean lo place up you mean vote. Me want something with by electoral commission and me come out it to confirm it. Nara something me lo site lo process lo vote. Time when you turn up the polling station do you vote. Very important by again say you must carry national ID blue go. Time you can lo polling station you present them national ID blue. Law officials will stop inside. Process semi semak no more. Also any narrow election where you will somebody will take part in Aweanes. After you present them and by verify them after you provide them you with them all ballot paper blue. Where you have a vote. So you want them, you may refer to a small paper where you will hold them stop, but then you will suppose only been pass them out to everyone. Lot top plus small paper, and you show them process flow. One number you make them, then only give him you all ballot paper please. So you should receive him 2 sets of ballot paper. 1 plus 17 question where relate to 17A. Another one, a question where relate to 17B. On questions, I mean, lo green color, I mean, tell them say, yes, me agree lo 17A, lo me campat lo constitution, or yes, me agree lo 17B, lo me campat lo constitution. Lo red color, I mean, tell them say, no, me no agree lo 17A, lo campat lo constitution, mo me no agree lo 17B, lo me campat lo constitution. So, pa you karam tula ballot paper lo you ya, pa you coin that lo small room. But only provide them you with them 1 envelope no more, so you look is a small white piece paper. So you choose 1 ballot paper plus 17A where you want them, whether green or red. You fold them, you put them inside the envelope. After you make them semak with them ballot paper plus 17B, you choose some green or red, you fold them. Put them go inside the semak envelope where you've been put them one finish go inside. Single envelope here will contain them together vote you inside. You carry me down, you put them the ballot box, the polling station blue. And now I'm completing process flow vote play you, and then you have go back. Lord polling officials slowly stop him finger play you, or make them final records, more giving back ID card play you exit to go outside the polling station. So am I completing process for face-to-face voting, one polling station. So someone you me we might buy you me sick or you me no have a movie go on the polling station, drive me long way too much, but you me really want them vote. You got process for application opportunity for proxy vote and you available too, but you must have a vote proxy. So process for proxy and you apply through one notice you come no principal electoral officer or agent play you or all get lo labor lo plesia or all get lo high commission, give him name with them all details play you, information play you, no ID card play you. Mo show him interest say you really want to vote proxy, all get up ali submit me come lo office, and then you may have a facilitate them process for proxy play. Kasi mi talem proxy ay mi apply no mo no all keta we only really no sabe ko no mo no polling station. From the process plan emi no easy to mass. You must provide them some documents, but you must fill them up an application.